Good morning and welcome to Sticker Mama's Plan With Me video for this week, Monday, February 11th through Friday, February 17th. And I'll be using this kit 2008A, a B, C, and D. Briefly, I'll go over each one of these kits. So this kit is my washi kit, and it comes with two 3/4 inch washies, two 1/2 inch, and two 1/4 inch. We have a weekend banner. We have two flags to cover the flags in both of the corners, a quote box. We have 3 half-hour and 3 one-hour boxes, a bunch of icons, 4 asterisks, and 4 teardrops. Now sheet B is my header and box sheet. I have a full check box, I have 2 full boxes, I have 4 half boxes with a whited out center for easily writing, 2 half boxes full, and then 13 header boxes or 1/4 inch boxes, 2 habit checklists. I have several headers and a bunch of circle checks, so where you can use these headers and then use these check marks or check circles to make your own boxes and whatever. Now C is my header strips with date circles. So I have one strip that'll fit there and another strip that'll fit exactly the length of here, along with all these circle dates to go in the middle. And last, I wanted to go over this cute deco sheet, D. So I have this sheet here, it's $1, and it has different decos for Valentine's Day, and this is also another one. So you have 2 options when you purchase this kit of which deco you wanted. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start with the date strips. And I'm going to get out my handy dandy tweezers here. Super helpful when you need to use, when you do the date circles. So I'll go ahead and start on the longer side first. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the longer strip. And I'm going to place this right underneath the Valentine's Day on the Erin Condren Life Planner. So it won't really go, it's going to go a little bit above the box for the date, and it's going to go into the 6 o'clock hour, not quite 6:30. Line it up, and then after it's lined up, then I press it down so that way if I need to, I can easily lift it back up. I'm going to go ahead and take my date circles and my tweezers, and I'm going to bend the circle or the paper a little bit so that the circles pop up. This makes it easy to grab. I'll grab the 14th and place it down like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and we're going to finish this side and then do the other side as well. Now I'll just go ahead and finish, speed this up, and then we'll continue. Okay, now that that's finished, I'm going to go ahead and get the corner flags up and put on this side. So just try to line it up here. I did make them just slightly larger than the Erin Condren. That way it's for sure going to cover up everything. And then from here, I'll go ahead and place the quote box. And we'll set that right inside. I always try to get it right on. All right, just like that. Okay, now from here, what I'm going to do is grab the 3/4 inch washi. Now this washi goes the whole length of the planner, so you will need to use either a credit card, a X-Acto knife, or I just use this handy dandy Erin Condren ruler. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the 3/4 inch washi strips, and I'm going to place it right up and a little over actually the date strip, just a tad. So again, it's going to be right above the 8 o'clock hour. So you'll see there's a little strip still between the end of this and the 8 o'clock hour. And then I'll use my, like I said, my ruler, and I'll just, if you hold it tight, and then you can just rip it off right there. All right, and then from here, what I think I'm gonna do is I have some plain washi, colored washi that I got from Amazon. It's a nice box here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this pink one. Maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna use the pink. I was thinking maybe not, but maybe using a blue or something to give a little color, but I think I will just stick with pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that down And it's light, it's a little on the see-through side, so I'll go ahead and place that down here. And again, use my handy dandy ruler and tear both sides. There you go. All right. Now I'm going to use this 1/2 inch washi, and we're going to put it at the very bottom. And I go all the way down to the bottom of the Erin Condren planner, not to the bottom box, but I actually go to the bottom of the page there. And then again, ruler, and again we'll tear it so that it's fit. Makes it easy too if you don't have an Erin Condren planner, then you're able to use this washi on whatever planner you have, or if you have the vertical or horizontal ones, it gives you the option of that as well. So this little 1/4 inch one, I always place right on the 2:30 mark because that's when the kids get out of school, although on Monday they have no school, so I won't go into Monday today or this week. And then I'm going to go ahead while I have this 1/4 inch washi out. Thursdays they're out at 1:30. It's minimum, or modified day or minimum day, so I'll just put that here. And then there'll be just enough to go ahead and finish up Friday. Normally if you do Monday as well, then you'll have to use your second strip of 1/4 inch washi. So there we go. So now I have that done. I need to do my corner flags and 3/4 inch washis on this side as well. I decided to go ahead and put another 1/4 inch washi strip over this. Since it's so light, I'm going to go ahead and put one more. It'll still be light, but it'll be a tad bit darker if I go ahead and set a second strip down. So I'm going to do it this side, and then I'll go ahead and finish the other side as well. We're going to go ahead and place the weekend banner. Sometimes I place it up top or right here, or I place it at the very bottom, but I'm going to go ahead and place it up on top, just a tad bit above the washi that I set down. So there we are. All right, now from here, what I like to do is set up my sidebar. I put my checkbox down, and then I'm going to go ahead and select a header, a 1/4 inch header, and a header saying, which would be work. So I keep track of everything I need to do for my job. On the side, I work from home, so it doesn't necessarily need to be any specific day most of the time. It just needs to be finished for the week. I'm going to go ahead and place the 2 habit check boxes. Keep track of 2 things this week. And then I'm going to go ahead and place as well a few icons. So I keep track of my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my YouTube. I don't have an icon for YouTube, so I normally use the house. We'll set those here. Okay, get this last one down here. And I'm probably just going to put some deco down below that. So grab my deco sheet, maybe put it a nice heart, the heart balloons or something down here. All right, so this is pretty much how I set it up for the week. So now what I'm going to do is go through my calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and place down all my stickers for appointments, the kids' practices, etc. All right, this is what my planner looks like without pen. I've got a couple half boxes down. I have my soccer stickers, some asterisks, my meal planning down at the very bottom. So now I'm ready for pen, and here are how my 2 sticker sheets look like. You can see there's still a lot of different stickers left on it, and my deco stickers, and you can see a lot of the space that I have, so I can still continue to make my list and things as the week goes on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.